Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a footer in Microsoft Word. Shall we start? Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. The footer is the bottom margin of a document that includes information about a document, such as an author's name, the document's title, or page numbers. There are two ways we can insert the footer in a Microsoft Word document. First, we need to navigate to the Insert tab to choose Footer in the Header and Footer group. The second way to insert the footer in our document is to double-click on the bottom margin of our document, which will redirect us to the Header and Footer tab, where we can edit the footer. Here we can choose from many built-in designs, or we can make our own. In this video, we are going to use the built-in blank footer with 3 columns. It is entirely up to you what you will use in your footer, but remember to keep it as simple as possible because it will be displayed on the bottom of every page of the document. In this video tutorial, first, we will add our Office Master logo in the left column. We highlight the first Type Here, choosing the Pictures option in the Insert group. When the dialog box appears, we select the picture we want to add and click Insert. We can see that the image size is too big for our document, so we must edit it. Here's how we'll do that. 8 sizing handles appear on the borders when clicking on the picture. We press the one and drag it towards the middle of the image to reduce the size. If the picture is too small, we can increase the size by dragging the resize handles toward the edge of the screen. When manually resizing, always remember to use a corner resize handle. This will ensure that both the height and width are adjusted simultaneously and will maintain your image's height to width ratio. Now, let's say we don't like the position of the picture inside the footer. If we want to move the image, we must click on it and drag it to another place. In this case, the formatting of our footer only enables us to change the position between the 3 columns because the picture layout setting is set to in line with the text. To change that, we must click on the image, select the Layout Options icon that displays on the right, and choose the layout options we want. We will select Tight under With Text Wrapping and leave the option Move with Text checked. Now we can quickly move our picture anywhere in the footer. We can format the picture in the footer. Click on the image and find the Picture Format tab on the ribbon menu. Now, let's move to the second column. In this video, we will insert simple text, in this case, the name of our channel, Office Master, in the middle column. We highlight the second Type Here and type Office Master, and it's done. Now it's time to move to the third column where we will insert the page number. So once again, we highlight the third Type Here and select the Page Number option in the Header and Footer group. In the pop-up menu, we choose Current Position and Plain Number under Simple. We can roll down through our document to verify if the numbers are correct. The last thing we are going to do is change the size of the footer. We navigate to the Position group, where we can change how far the footer is from the bottom of the page. Depending on how much we increase or decrease the number, the footer will expand or shrink. In this video, we will use 0.4 inches from the bottom of the document. To change the font size in our footer, we highlight the words inside the footer, and then we go to the font size icon on the panel and scroll to the size of the font we want. We are going to use Arial in size 14. Once we are done with formatting our footer, we select Close Header and Footer, or double-click in the working area of the Word document. When we do so, we can see that the footer is faded. Remember that this applies only to the document in the digital form. When we print out the document, the footer will be in full color. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.